So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial to get into. If you want to turn Google Sites into a clean dashboard for your work, here's how to make a dashboard in Google Sites. Firstly, open Google Sites and create a new site. Create a dedicated page for your dashboard, then go to Insert. Google Sites lets you embed useful content such as calendar, Google Sheets, charts, etc. You can choose a month, week, or agenda view and insert multiple calendar views onto this same page to see different schedules at once. You can also add Google Sheets charts or other reports to create a performance or business dashboard. Arrange the widgets for larger products, create separate dashboard pages such as analytics, calendar, sales, etc. then link them together through your site's navigation. Finally, click Preview to check the dashboard on different screen sizes, and when everything looks good, click Publish. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.